this video, I'll show you how you can play music in Discord. Now first what you want to do is create a server right here. So just add a server under plus sign, create my own for me and my friends and call it whatever you want. Then once you've created the server, what you want to do is come up here, click on app directory, search for green space bot and choose the first one. In here you want to press add app and just choose the server, which is the one you just made. You want to continue, authorize, and then go to the server. Now in here, how this works is you want to join a voice channel. So I'll just join this one. And in here you want to type /play space and then the song. So this could be any song. It could be whatever, Justin Bieber, Baby, whatever, you know. And press enter and it's gonna play for everyone in this channel. Now you can type /play and then another song and it's gonna be queued up. If you have any questions, you can type /help and you can see all the things you can do with the green bot. But that's basically how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.